Welcome to Fursuiting with
Anne
and Lila.
Anne and Lila, we left you with our last video with our bucket head and muzzle.
Yeah.
So we did a lot of foam carving. We did a lot of gluing and cutting foam and taking our time. So one thing I want to share with you is the fact that we were using this mini glue gun. Okay, little tiny mini glue gun. Not only do you go through glue sticks like crazy, but your hand actually cramps up your arm because you're over and over again. I found my big glue gun. So just know, if you can, get a big glue gun with big glue sticks. It makes the world of difference. So this is a newbie tip from me to you. Get a big glue gun. So I want to show you what we have now so far. This is her Fursuit tofu. So we started with the muzzle and we added foam here. We added a nose.
Also, for the bridge piece right here, we tucked just strips of foam down here to make the transition easier.
Yep. Okay. We also added a little piece here so that the mouth looks more rounded when it's furred. We carved out the lower jaw. We made smiles. We added the forehead piece. We still have work to do on this widening piece here because it looks a little angry. These were a lot of fun, carving out lots of foam. It was really far out, and we just kind of molded it to make a really good cheek piece. And now look at these fantastic ears.
Yes.
Look, okay, good, perfect. The ear we carved the ear like she wanted it, and this is kind of like the fold over on the ear. So in here it's going to be pink. This is all going to be furred, and we're really getting there on the foam section of this fursuit head. It takes a lot of glue, a lot of patience, and a lot of just looking at it and cutting. It's our first time, so we're doing our best.
Okay, so tofu's muzzle used to be crooked. It looks a little crooked when nobody's wearing her, but when I put her on, it's straight because we built her crooked and we had to fix it by re-gluing the muzzle in a different way.
What's great about doing this project is you can stop, you can cut, you can re-glue, you can add at any point until you fur. So we're trying to get this as great as possible prior to furring.
And yeah, we fixed out the muzzle. We bought, okay,
You talk.
from our first video, it says we bought a roll of 1/2-inch foam. Do not do that. We got way too much 1/2-inch foam. Don't do that. Get a roll of 1-inch foam. We got the wrong roll.
And high density. Get high density foam because I think it's going to hold up better. So anyway, we're learning. We're doing our best. We did use our Foamies for the eyes. So why don't you put that on again? And we cut out the eyes, what we wanted them to look like. She wants somewhat toony eyes. So we cut them out and we're going to fit them right in here like this.
Make your eye holes bigger than you think.
Yes, make big eye holes. You can always add a little bit. So there's the eye and how that's going to look. But we're not quite done painting what they're going to look like. So for instance, she wanted diamond-shaped pupils. So there is the foamy. We're going to glue that to the backing. And we also are going to make it follow me eyes.
Yeah.
So we're not quite done painting yet. So that's where we're at with the carving and the using of foam. We ordered our fur. And how we did it is we took just a loose drawing of what we needed. We're not making feet, we're not making a whole body, and we're not making paws.
We're just making a head and tail.
Head and tail.
Because we bought the paws and the feet paws I would grow out of.
Right. So, and we might have extra fur, who knows? We'll figure that out. So we just drew a quick mock-up and labeled everything and what color they were going to be. Then we decided how much fur we were going to order. Tell them about how our ordering of fur went.
Okay, so tofu is a very particular teal. So I searched far and wide for a while, even before we finished the head base, even before we were close to finishing the head base, I was looking for fur. And I found Howl Fabrics. The perfect fur color was at that website, and kind of expensive, but full fur is expensive. So we're like, okay, maybe we can just get it from here. But it ended up being really expensive because not only is the fur pretty expensive because it's luxury shag and it's gonna last, also because the shipping was not free and it cost a lot.
Okay, with that being said, we went to other sites, and other sites charge quite a bit more per yard. So it all depends on how you're ordering. We liked the selection of Howl Fabrics, and we liked that they had very good reviews. So we ended up ordering from Howl Fabrics, and in 2 days, we should see our fur arrive. Then we will make another video regarding absolutely having fun sewing and furring. We'll make a video on the taping and making the plan for it and the actual sewing and furring. So thank you.
Thank you. What else did we do with tofu? We pinned the ears when we glued them. It took a lot. It's just work until it's good. It's pretty easy. We also made the cheek pieces. We made the smile bigger because it was weird and small. Nose piece we made a little too thick. As you see here, we added 1/2-inch foam right here to make it bigger and thicker, but we still need to carve that down. If you make the same mistake as us, make the nose piece too thick, carve the 1/2-inch foam before you glue it because it's hard to carve. Okay, so another mistake we made is we bought like, how many sheets of white
think
foamies?
just one.
Yeah, we got 1 sheet of foamies. Just 1 white sheet for the eye. And what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to cut out a strip and you wrap it around. The strips weren't long enough, so you have 2 seams, one right there, one right there. So buy more foamies.
It's not expensive. It's totally cheap.
Totally
and
cheap,
just to have it, it's easier, and you'll have a better outcome, I think.
the eyes will look better.
So that was one of the obstacles we had to overcome.
Yeah.
If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.